Guys, Flash games are not dead. Far from it. They're very much alive. You just kind of gotta do a little thing first. So go to newgrounds.com. I have a little shortcut, so I'm just gonna click that. And this is an old game I used to play as a kid with one of my best friends. I miss you, by the way. So if you've seen this, what's up, dude? Yeah. So what you want to do, you just press, just find a game, press this play button, and what it will. Don't worry about him. What it'll ask you is, you need the Newgrounds launcher to play this game. Do you want to download it? Download that, install it. Windows might come up and flag it as like an unwanted program or whatever. It's completely safe. Just know that there is security flaws with Adobe Flash. The security risks. I shouldn't say flaws, but risks. Because if you run a game with malicious code, there's always the chance of whatever. But if it's one of those classic games that, like, it's fine. So just do that. And then whenever you press play on this, I already have it so where if I press play on any of these games, it'll automatically open up this launcher and I can start playing. But it should ask you when you press play to be like, do you want to open this in Newgrounds launcher? You should press yes. And then this will launch up. What's great about this is that back in the day, you used to have this small, tiny-ass window to play your game in. Now, you can make that shit the fullest of screens. So, yeah, that's great. And just press escape if you go full screen mode. So yeah, if your game has an export option, definitely export your save. Maybe some games work and some other games don't. Some other games do. You know, it's Flash. Flash has its flaws. But yeah, Flash games aren't dead. They're just hiding. I really hate how they just enabled Flash across the board. Like, really? And then you made Newgrounds develop a whole new launcher just to play Flash games. It's really annoying, but it was bound to happen sooner or later. That's how you play Flash games in 2023, guys. I'm sorry it's like really weird and difficult, but that's life sometimes. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button, maybe subscribe. I got some content coming in the future, maybe pertaining to the games I showed you right there. And we're still working on the Visage series. If any of y'all are still interested in that, I got 11 and 12 filmed. They just take forever to actually edit, especially when you have a job. But yeah, have a nice day, guys. Have a nice day, night, evening, whatever you're doing, wherever you're doing. Yeah. Peace out, guys. Much love.